Well, 3 months ago, I planted sweet potatoes 3 different ways. I planted sweet potatoes in a grow bag, I planted sweet potatoes in a plastic container, and I also planted them in a raised bed. And then I had something started eating one of them. Stay tuned and I'll show you what I did to deter whatever was after them and whatever was trying to consume them. Now, back when I planted these, I set that plastic pot right beside these ornamental sweet potato vines. This right beside the ornamental sweet potato vines that I have planted. And you can see they're doing quite well. They're growing. They're starting to yellow just a little bit. Now the grow bag is a different story. Let's take a look at that. Oh, and by the way, my name's Wayne. I live here in central Pennsylvania, Zone 6B. I'm so glad to have you back. And if you're visiting here for the first time, welcome. We're glad to have you. Now, I don't know if you remember when I first planted these. Let's just go ahead and stick about 4 of these in here. But I set the grow bag with 4 sweet potato slips in it right here, thinking I'd train it to grow up this netting. I'm gonna train them to go up this netting, hopefully. Well, something started nibbling at it and the cucumbers overtook the netting, so I moved the grow bag to the front yard beside that plastic pot. So I moved this 15-gallon grow bag up here beside this plastic pot. Knowing that I have room, everything is mulched here, the vines can grow out. So problem solved. Nothing nibbling at anything in the front yard. If you remember, I planted 2 slips in this plastic container. You see, I did the same process in this hard plastic pot, which I'm guessing it's about a 10-gallon container. I didn't realize until a few minutes ago that this is very dry. So that's probably why the yellowing leaves. So I got to get them watered and get them fertilized, or I'm not going to get very nice potatoes out of the plastic container. But now to the problem that I mentioned in the clear beginning. What do I have eating my sweet potato vines at my raised bed? And what did I do to solve it? Now here are the sweet potato vines that I planted at the same time. And not more than a couple weeks right after I planted them, something stole one of my plants away. So instead of 9 sweet potato vines growing in a 3x3 section of raised bed, I have 8 sweet potato vines growing. But to get to the problem, I'm going to bring you around over here and show you what happened just a couple weeks ago. Well, I'm hoping you can see this, but on this side of the plant, something started eating these off. I'll do a close-up of it so you can see it. I think you can see that they did a bunch of eating on this side. Things are starting to grow back some. And they ate the cauliflower there completely off. So in my investigation into what was eating my sweet potato vine and ate my cauliflower off, was it a rabbit? Was it a groundhog? Last year I thought it was deer eating my sweet potato vines. But I'm almost certain that they come from the wood side and come over here. Don't bother the squash at all, but this is what I did to deter them. And so far, it's been over a week, maybe almost 2 weeks. Nothing has touched them. They're starting to get regrowth where it was eaten. This is what I did. I put some temporary fence up here to block them from coming this way, but I put a pinwheel. And I'm going to show you how this solar light works, because this is the ticket. Now, if you're a critter coming out of the woods right away, it starts flashing. Take notice to that solar light. Well, that also makes a sound that only animals can hear. Although I do have a granddaughter that can hear it, and it almost deafens her ears when she hears it. I put a pinwheel there. I also put up this fence. So that's how I took care of the critters for now. I'm not saying I'm an expert here, But I just showing you what I did to defer these critters. This is where your help comes in. Do you have problems with deer, groundhogs, rabbits, squirrels, whatever? Please leave a comment and share with the community here what you do to defer them. The solar panel light, I owe credit to Amy from Amy's Cozy Corner. She commented and told me about these solar lights that come on and flash. They're a little expensive, but they work. That's for sure. What works for you? Leave a comment. Well, there you have it. This is kind of an experiment for me. One variety of sweet potatoes, the variety that was planted was Jewel. I planted them in a plastic container, which is about a 10-gallon container, a 15-gallon grow bag, and the raised bed. I'll put a link in the description below to the video when I actually planted these sweet potatoes. Like I say, this is an experiment for me, so we won't know for probably a couple months yet what they're going to produce. But it gives you the opportunity, if you like this, to subscribe and watch for that video when I actually do the harvest. I also want to let you know that it's a blessing to grow things. It's a God-given gift that we have. So I'm going to say God's blessings to you, and I'll see you in the next video.